today we're going to make these beautiful collage tags, and the whole point of this is to bring out your basic supplies that you have on hand, and I know you do, just some cardstock and some scraps, some fussy cuts, stickers, whatever you have on hand, and we're going to make these beautiful tags. Okay, what we're going to need to make these tags is just grab a bunch of scraps, just random scraps, something to cut a tag shape with. You can either use a punch if you have one or a store card. And we're going to use this colored cardstock as our base. This is just to add some different interest in it. Most of the time you use coffee dyed paper or file folder or something like that. But I thought, let's go ahead and use some colored cardstock and see how that turns out. You're also going to need some random bits of lace, whatever cut-off trims you have. I have some flower trim. You're going to need some stickers in case you want to use those. I even pulled out some Tim Holtz paper dolls because I never use them, so I figured we could put one of those on one of the tags. What else? Some labels, some other pieces of ephemera, and of course I have to add some bling. And then we need glue stick, and if you want to sew, you can sew around them as well. Now I'm going to do one of these and kind of talk through it, and then I will put some music on and then quickly do the other ones. All right, so the first thing we need to do is cut these into a tag shape. And I think this black is going to make a really dramatic tag. Let's see. And this is just 65-pound cardstock. And I'm also going to round my corners. So all I'm going to do is just start layering pieces on here. And I'm going to try really hard to leave a little bit of a border around here just so we can see the cardstock. Let's see. Yeah, and don't be afraid to add a little bit of color. And you can ink all the edge of these little torn pieces if you want. I'm not going to. Okay, so that's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces, and its tag is covered. So let's go ahead and do the other 3. Okay, so I know these don't look like a whole lot right now, but once we decorate them up a little bit, they'll be amazing, I promise. All right, so the one thing that I'm going to do now is decide what we're going to, I'm not going to attach anything yet, but just kind of go through here and figure out how we want to decorate these. I love these black and white stickers. Okay, I think I've decided what the focal points are going to be. And now I'm going to go through and determine if I want to put any labels or lace or anything like that. I may not do all of them that way, but I'm just going to turn the sound off and let you watch me go through this process. Okay, I think that's the way I want the placement of everything. You can just keep going with this, but then it becomes a little bit overwhelming. So I'm going to shove all of this off, and I'm going to go sew around all of the tags and then come back and attach these. I'm going to add some splatters on here. I'm probably going to regret it. Let me cover this little dude's face up. All right, I think that looks pretty awesome. That turned out better than expected. All right, then we'll give that time to dry. Okay, so I've picked out some seam binding for the toppers and an eyelet for each one of these. This one's going to be a little bit different. So let's go ahead and punch the holes. Okay, I'm real tickled with how these turned out. And the whole point of all of this was just to go grab basic supplies that I'm sure you have, like cardstock. It doesn't have to be in these colors. This was just something I wanted to try to do. And some of these stickers and fussy cuts and things like that, I tend to hoard and not use, and to get rid of some of my scraps. So I think these turned out really cool. Did not require a whole lot of thinking. Very, very simple to do. And we used up some of our stuff that's laying around. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed that and you'll give it a try. And thank you so much for spending your time with me today. And I'll talk to you in the next video. Have a blessed day. Bye.